Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Traffic Talk, episode 3. So, today I'm going to do a bit of a night drive and kind of get a feel for the camera settings and just kind of seeing, if this looks good at night. So, we'll see if I end up uploading this, but kind of just doing a little bit of a test run. Currently driving back home from tennis. Played some pretty good tennis. Played for about 3 hours. I think that's the great thing about tennis is, at least for me, even when I'm tired, I feel like I can just keep playing forever and ever. And I think part of it has to do with, I think there's a bit of dopamine associated with just getting a really good shot in, and it's a little bit addictive. Your brain is kind of continuously chasing that high of the next hit, and that's not really something I get at the gym. So when I work out at the gym, I'm not really feeling like that sense of, oh, I need to do another rep, got to do another set. When I go to the gym, I'm kind of just like counting down the reps until I can leave and go home, right? Whereas I think what's fun about tennis is you're not doing that. You're kind of waiting for the next dopamine hit, which you get from like a really good shot or a really good serve. So I wish I could find a way to translate that into the gym where I could, just kind of be addicted to the gym. I think that would be kind of an interesting way to think about working out. And it would certainly be much more motivating, and I'll probably be a lot stronger than I am right now. But that's something I've been kind of thinking about, is what if there was a way to gamify the gym and make it so that, like tennis, it's a little bit addicting. So yeah, I don't know. Could be my next invention. Who knows? I feel like every time I record, I'm always just stuck in traffic, and I feel like it's cursed. But I think once we get past this light, we should be on the highway, and we should be good to go. I don't know about you guys, but I kind of like roads that are a little bit on the bumpier side. I feel like roads that are just too smooth are honestly just like a little bit boring. I kind of like being jostled around like every now and then. I don't know. Like obviously I don't want to go over a pothole, but I kind of just like testing my car's suspension and just, going over little bumps here and there. Kind of makes me feel like I'm really interacting with the road, All right, we're on the highway. So my car is actually tuned, and I can actually change the mapping on the fly and make my car accelerate faster. So I just changed it. I don't know if you can see, but I just changed it, and now my acceleration is a lot quicker. It's something I've been thinking about. I had been debating doing it for a really long time, and I finally just bit the bullet. Well, part of it is also because my car warranty expired, and so because of that, I felt a little bit more comfortable just tuning the engine, and now my car takes premium fuel. But it's a very big difference. If anyone who drives a Civic is considering tuning their car, it makes a really big difference. I forget the exact 0 to 60 time, but I think it improves it by like at least half a second. I want to say almost a full second. It feels like it almost feels like a different car. It's a big difference. Still obviously not as fun as a Tesla, but you gotta work with what you have. Alright, should I pass this guy? Pass him. I love driving at night. There's just something so calming about being in your dark car and just like flying down the road. I feel like driving during the day just doesn't hit the same. It really doesn't. It is so relaxing. I love driving. This is kind of silly, but I love having social plans at night, and then afterwards I'm just like, I'm very much looking forward to the drive home. I don't know if anyone else feels the same way, but I kind of like when my social plans are a little bit further out, and it gives me a good excuse to have to drive home for like maybe half an hour or something like that. I don't know. Is it just me, or do other people also feel that way? I don't know. I remember when I first started working, I lived very close to work. It was like a 5-minute drive, and honestly, the drive wasn't enough for me. It just, I would drive for 5 minutes and I would be at work, and I kind of like having a longer commute. Is that weird to say? Who knows? Is that a hot take? It might be. It just might be. Alright, well, I am nearing home, so appreciate you guys tagging along for my drive home, and I appreciate you guys tuning in for another episode of Traffic Talk.